Hello, welcome to the course Governing Ourselves. This is a course where we learn a little bit about government. I think you'll find it a fascinating course. It's one that I enjoy teaching. I think it's one that's very useful in all that you do. Even if you get a degree or have a focus in other disciplines or want to do something else other than government, it's important to understand how our government operates. In this course, we're going to be learning about different types of governments in general. That's what we'll be talking about in the first third of the course. Then we're going to be talking a little bit about our government here in the United States with a focus on the Constitution, the separation of the different branches, the presidency, Congress, and the judicial branch. Following that, we're going to talk a little about the political system that we are dealing with. We'll be focusing on interest groups, campaign finance, we'll talk a little about elections and those kinds of things. With each of those phases, each phase, the first one being political theory, the second one being the Constitution, and the third one being U.S. politics, there are papers associated with each. The papers are a couple pages in length, and you'll be dealing with a specific question that addresses each one of these different issues. Along with those essays, you'll be required to submit an annotated bibliography. The annotated bibliography is not a difficult thing to do. You simply need to go to different websites that discuss a specific aspect of what we'll be talking about in class. Look up sources. These sources could be other links. You take those links and you write a brief summary, a paragraph or two describing what is on each of those links. Then, at the end of the course, you're expected to turn in a final paper. The paper is going to be the most extensive project in the course, and you have a lot of leeway in terms of types of projects that you may want to address or subjects that you may want to address. It just has to deal with government, and this is something that I want you, as you look into this, pick a topic that is of interest to you as long as it deals with government. And if you think about it, government deals with so many aspects of our lives that there are a lot of things that we could bring into play here. I would just ask that you run a topic by me in the course spanning project. You'll be doing some things that help build toward that paper. Let me know what that is, and I can answer any questions that you might have. But I want you to pick up something that is of interest to you and that relates to government. And this is, I think, the best part of the class is putting together this final project. And I've really enjoyed reading a lot of papers from students in the past. It's, for me, a highlight of the course.